Hello class. Today we are going to look at lesson 4, solving unit rate word problems. There is a web page that explains how to solve multi-step word problems involving unit rates. I wanted to show you an example here on the smartboard. So let's take a look. Jimmy ran for 30 minutes and traveled 3 miles at the same rate. How long will it take Jimmy to run 6 miles? There are multiple ways to solve these type of problems, but the way we're going to do it here is with a proportion. Now, in the website, we know that a proportion is two ratios that are equal. Just put that down here. So let's start by highlighting our key information. 30 minutes, and Jimmy ran 3 miles in those 30 minutes. That's our first rate. And we want to know how long it will take him to run 6 miles. Let's set up our proportion. As we stated below, a proportion are two ratios that are equal. We show our ratios as fractions when we are working with rates. So we'll put our equal sign in between, showing that they are equal to one another. Words are very important. So we are going to start with our yellow rate here. We have 30 minutes in the numerator, 3 miles in the denominator. Some of you are probably thinking we can solve this for the unit rate, which would be 10 minutes per mile, and then at that rate, we could calculate our answer. The proportion is a nice way to keep your work organized. Like we learned in lesson 4, we know that we want to line up our units. So if we have 30 minutes, if we have minutes in the numerator, we need to put our other minutes in the numerator, and that is what we are looking for. We do not know the number of minutes, so let's use X. That's what we're looking for. X number of minutes it takes him to run 6 miles. Like we mentioned in the website, there are multiple ways to solve proportions. We can cross multiply. We can think of it as an equivalent fraction problem. So how I'm looking at this, we know both of our denominators. So if this is an equivalent fraction problem, what do we multiply 3 by to get 6? Or what's 6 divided by 3? 2. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. In order to keep this equivalent, we want to do the same thing to the numerator. We'll multiply that by 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 30 times 2 gives us our answer. X equals 60 minutes. We can check our answer by plugging in our value for X, and they should both simplify to 10 minutes per mile. 30 divided by 3 gives us 10 minutes per mile. 60 divided by 6 gives us 10 minutes per mile. So you can check your answer when you are solving problems like this. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to post in our discussion board on Padlet. There are more example problems in our Google Slides presentation and links to videos and practice. Thank you.